Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix mouse stops working when you open Valorant, or mouse freezes and your screen freezes and a bunch of different things. So the first thing what I suggest to do here, if you're using controller and controller is plugged into your computer, is to just unplug controller and then try if it's the mouse is still not working. Look if the mouse is still not working or not. If still this is the issue, then try to disable some apps. Giazo, I believe it's sometimes parenting from mouse to normally running Logitech G-Hub mouse apps or something like that. So just leave all as less apps as possible when try to launch Valorant, and then look if the problem persists with your mouse. If you open Valorant and after you press open and the Valorant is simply opening, if your mouse is stuck, just what you need to do here is to press play, and then you just need to move in all times the mouse, and then it should restuck. And also, if this is still happening, what I suggest to do here is to look for Valorant, right click on it, open the file location, then here right click again, open the file location. You should see right client services, right click again, show more options, properties, compatibility. Make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program in compatibility mode. Apply the changes and the issue should be solved. But main two reasons is your controller and just move your mouse when the loading screen is booting up, and until the game boots up, just move your mouse and you should be good, right? So yeah, that's basically it.